My name is Jeremiah Johnson. I'm the owner and operator of C&J Cleanaway, and I will be demonstrating how to clean a countertop. We're going to start off with a disinfectant. This is a quaternary ammonium. We're just going to spray it down onto our surface. Following spraying it down, we're going to leave it sit for 5 minutes, which is the recommended time to completely disinfect the countertop. Now that the countertop is completely disinfected, we're going to go ahead and do a wipe down. Using just a paper towel, just wipe down any excess. If your disinfectant is dry, feel free to spray a little more on to get rid of any water spots. That is cleaning a countertop.